Hey there everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to apply different page border for every single page. So let's start it. At first, we see how to apply border in a page. Click on design option and click page border and apply a style and then press OK. We see that this border style applied for every pages, but I want that my border style work for individual pages. That means this page has a border style, this page has also a different border style, also every single page has a different border style. So for this we need to click at the bottom of the page, then click on layout and press break to next page. Okay, again came into bottom of the second page and click on break and then click next page. Now we apply border style in my first page. Click design, page border, and I select a border style, and then here we need to change this whole document to this section, then press OK. Here we see that this border style only applied for first page only. Now we change second page border, design, page border, we apply art option and also change this whole document option to this section and press OK. Okay, so here is the way how we able to apply different border style for different phases. Thank you.